Welcome to November's release notes video. This month, we've rolled out new security features, added fresh video tutorials, published helpful guides, and much more. We're thrilled to announce that we've won PC Pro's prestigious Best Web Host Award for 2024. This is the second year in a row that we've been recognized as the best in the industry. This award is especially meaningful because it's based on votes, not just from PC Pro readers, but from you, our customers. We genuinely appreciate your support and trust. A massive thanks to everyone who voted for us. You can now improve account security by making it mandatory for your StackCP and My20i team members to use two-factor authentication when logging into their accounts. For StackCP users, head to the StackCP users page in My20i. Select Option and enforce 2FA to toggle the option on for StackCP users. Once enabled, the StackCP user will be prompted to add a 2FA device the next time they log in. For My20i team members, head to the Team Members section in your My20i account and click the Edit button. On the right-hand side, you'll see Require 2FA Setup. Select the toggle to enable this option. Simplify the login process with SSO and use your corporate Microsoft or Google accounts to streamline access management for yourself and your team members, employees, and contractors. Enabling SSO is straightforward, and we've created an easy-to-follow guide to walk you through the process. See how to enable SSO following the link below. We've just released a step-by-step guide to conversion rate optimization that covers all the essentials, from gathering the data to launching your first A/B test, including a free downloadable CRO template to get you started. Check the link below to get started. A powerful VPS with unlimited bandwidth in a world-class green data center can do far more than just host your clients' websites. Our latest blog post dives into 12 creative ways to use your VPS for more than just hosting websites. To discover these 12 VPS uses and much more, be sure to check out the blog via the link in the description below. We've added a range of new, easy-to-follow videos to help you maximize the potential of your hosting. If you're a reseller hosting customer, check out our tutorials on how to add Stripe Payment Gateway, allowing you to use different payment gateways to receive funds, and resell custom products on HostShop, allowing you to resell 20i's hosting products and services easily and bill customers for your own services. Or see how to create a bulk website backup to help you manage the backups you've taken in one place. Our direct customers will find the new Migrate Emails to 20i from Gmail helpful, showing you how to seamlessly migrate mailbox content from Gmail to 20i StackMail with just a few clicks. And create a bulk website backup, allowing you to take and download a backup to any site you are hosting. Or a complete guide to the file manager. Check out all of these and more on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and if there is anything you'd like to see from us, just head to My20i, and from the Help and Support menu, click Submit Feedback to let us know your thoughts. That's all for this update. See you next time.